Hello, I'm Pro, the lucky mascot of Curry and Spices Ranjusown. Keep watching.
First we have to heat 4 tablespoons of oil, then add 2 medium potatoes and fry till it becomes golden brown. This is to bring an extra fried flavor of the potatoes to enhance the taste. You can skip this task if you want to avoid oil and add potato dices directly into the curry while cooking on low flame. Here I am taking 4 boiled eggs and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Move out potatoes and eggs onto a kitchen tissue and add in thinly sliced onion. Fry until golden brown. All your key ingredients are ready. Let's grind onion and 2 tablespoons of curd to a fine paste. This is a single pot dish. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, then 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 3 green cardamom, and saute for a few seconds. Then add ginger garlic paste, and diced tomatoes. To this add salt to taste. Continue cooking for 2 more minutes. Once your tomato is almost pureed, add on red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, then add asafoetida powder to get an extra flavor. Saute till the oil separates. Now add onion paste to the pot along with 3/4 of a cup of water. Bring this to a boil on low flame. This will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. You know it is ready once you see the oil separating out of the curry. Add kasuri methi along with diced potatoes and fried eggs and mix well. If you love green chilies or bird's eye chili, add them to the curry at this point in time to suit your taste. Garnish with coriander leaves and a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and bind it well with the curry as shown. Continue cooking on low flame to lock in the flavor onto the potatoes and eggs with closed lid for another 2 more minutes. Garnish now with a bit of coriander leaves and look at this. This is an awesome thick curried eggs that goes well with the bread of your choice. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranjusown. Thank you.